Hello everyone, this is Thomas from XINNUO roll forming machinery in China. Today I'd like to introduce our cost-effective product, the 3-layer roll forming machine. This is a kind of roof panel forming machine. The 3 layers roll forming machine, its component departments include color steel roof panel forming machine, PLC computer control system, hydraulic pump station, automatic after-sharing system. Equipment features the color steel roof panel equipment using automatic control software, color steel forming machine to achieve production information management. A multi-purpose machine not only saves the floor area, the cost is also reduced. 3-layer roll forming machine structure is light, especially suitable for small space and site construction of customers to use. Well, that's all for today's product introduction. If you enjoyed this video, please follow my channel. If you are interested in the products, please leave a comment for me. I will introduce the products which you are interested in next video. Bye.